Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Now we are going to discuss about a new multi-bagger stock for this week. Actually last week I didn't provide any multi-bagger stock recommendation. Instead I provided short-time stock. Around 3 stock I was provided to Elite and above, and almost 14 stocks I provided to Ruby. In that 3 stocks which I was provided to Elite and above last week, the stock number 11, there was a great news today which I was shared in my community tab. The Sport King India approved bonus issue of 3:1 ratio. So this will be a great news to all the investors and also those who are holding Sport King India. The coming days the rally will be continued in Sport King India, and already I told to all my members that Sport King India is a wealth creator as well. It's very undervalued stock, so the coming days we can expect a huge rally. So I will explain you about the exit strategy later on. So for the meantime, try to keep accumulating, and even when it was falling also last week I told very clearly to everyone to utilize the opportunity. So what I am providing the stock in short time or the multi-bagger recommendation, everything will be based on the fundamental, and I would like to follow the fundamental on investment. That is the most safest method. So let us go into the today's video. So the today's stock is a perfect stock and it will be a wealth creator as well. Coming years this stock will perform very well, and this will be an amazing stock. So try to keep a small quantity in your portfolio. So let us go into the video. Actually the company name is Shivalik Bimetal Controls Ltd, and currently it is trading at 173.20. The stock was listed in stock exchange on June 24 at 1124 level. It was listed, and almost it is trading around 44% higher right now, and still the rally is ongoing. And you can see the company was founded in 1984, and the company's main business is semiconductor business, and our short term target is almost 365 for almost 6 months, and our long term target will be almost 680, and surely this target will be almost 1 to 2 years is our target. So to achieve this target I am expecting a bonus issue. So at that time we will decide the same way the Sport King India how it was given the bonus today. The same way I am expecting a bonus on Shivalik Bimetal Control also within 1 or 2 years time. That will happen, and surely this is a small target at that time. So but still we will keep this 680 as our long term target. So the short term target of 365, this will be achieved within 6 months. That is 100% sure. So and as I told you, this is a unique business, and they are the market leader, and they are the raw material supplier. So the stock is listed in both NSE and BSE. You can see here in NSE 173.60 it was traded on last trading section, and you can see here that almost 65.14% taken delivery out of almost 1.8 lakh shares are traded. And while we are coming to the BSE, you can see here it is closed around 172.10 on last trading session, and almost 59,000 shares are traded. Out of that almost 61% taken delivery. That means the people are trying to accumulate the share. And while we are coming to the result, you can see here almost 70.31 was the revenue in June 21, and company is gradually growing. That means I will show you and I will explain you how the company's growth is, the past 5 years growth is, and also how the company is performing for past 5 years, and how the company's profitability getting increased. And these kind of things are very important, and I will explain you that. And while we are coming here in the last quarter itself, almost 11.18 crore profit was generated out of 70.31 crore sales, and earning per share is almost 2.91, and company has been declared almost 30 paise per share on this quarter, and the previous quarter also in February also company has been paid the interim dividend of 0.30. So the company is trying to make the company is giving interim dividend. And I told you the company was listed in stock exchange on June 24 at 124 level, and currently the company is trading around 44% higher than the listing price, and still our target is very high. and this will be a true wealth creator. And I will explain you. While we are coming to the 5 years sales, you can see here the company's growth. In 2017, the company was generated almost 118 crore sale. Out of that, 8 crore profit was generated. And after that, in 2018, you can see here 157 crore sale was made, and you can see the growth. You can see here 118 to 157 within 1 year, and the profitability got increased to 15 crore. And after that, the next year company was generated almost 193 crore sale company was been generated. You can see the growth here, and the profitability got increased to 22 crore. You can see the growth here. Whenever the company is generating the sales, the higher sales, the profitability also getting increased. It's on proportional. So after that, the company has been reduced its sale in last year, because everyone knows that the business was very dull last year, but still the company generated almost 12 crore profit. After that, the current 2011, the company generated 203 crore sale. That means you can see the growth here, and almost 23 crores profit company has been generated. So the company is growing the amazing way, and surely this will reflect in coming years to the share price as well. And while we are coming to the balance sheet, you can see here the company's growth in balance sheet as well. Company is already, I told you, the company is giving dividend. Even if it is a small amount, company is paying dividend, and the remaining amount company is adding to the reserve and surplus. You can see here in 2017 the company was having 64 crore reserve was there, then it becomes 75 crore, then it becomes 97 crore. After that, in 2020 it becomes 107 crore, and in March 2021 it becomes 131 crore. You can see the company's growth here. So there is a huge company's growth is happening during this year. And while we are coming to the peers group, you can see here Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL. You can see the current market capitalization is almost 42,506.36 is the current market capitalization of Bharat Electronics Limited, and the other one is Aditya Vision Limited, almost 1019.36. The company is very smaller while we are comparing to Shivalik Bimetals, and the other one is Century Electronics Limited. The current market capitalization is 602.62, and it is trading around 467.70. This company is also very small while we are comparing to Shivalik Metal. So just to understand the value of Shivalik Metal, I shown you the peer group companies BL, Aditya Vision, and Centrum Electronics Limited. So let us go into the company's website. You can see here Shivalik Bimetal Controls Ltd, and the company was established in 1984, as I told you, in Haryana. And what the company is doing, actually the company is manufacturing the raw materials of electronics and also automobiles, and for domestic appliances, and for the industrial purpose and medical purpose, and for the defense purpose. So what are the products they are manufacturing? While we are coming here, you can see here their products are thermostatic bimetals, parts and strips, SMDS and shunt resistors, reflows, solders, pre-soldered strips, and precision stainless steel, thermostatic bimetal, coil and strips, snap section disc. So these are the specialized item while we are coming to the industrial application, and also electronics, automobiles, and also domestic appliances, and also defense, medical, everywhere in all the sectors. If the manufacturing unit, if a company want to make a production of any of this item which we are using in our daily life, and also for our industrial purpose or for medical or defense, they need the support of Shivalik Metals. Without their raw materials, the company cannot manufacture the product. So you know that is the main value, the core value of Shivalik Bimetal. Without having the bimetal part, even a thermostat will not work. The main working principle of the thermostat itself is the bimetal. Even if you know the old fluorescent lamp, there you can find a starter. In that starter, while we are switching it on, there will be spark will be happen. So what is happening there? Actually, there will be a bimetal inside that, and when the temperature is getting increased, it will bend towards the weaker side of the bimetal. There will be two bimetal, means there will be two metals will be there adjacent each other. So it will bend towards the electrical path, and the circuit will be continued. That is the way how the starter was working. The same way, entire field, the bimetals are important, and they are specialized in that. And also I told you about the remaining things like thermostatic bimetal. This is what we discussed now, and the parts and strip, and the shunt resistors, especially in industrial circuits, and also in our home maybe we are using the MCB, MCCB, ELCB and all these things. Even inside the ELCB there is bimetal is there. Even inside our miniature circuit breaker MCBs there will be bimetal will be there, and also MCCBs, ACBs, VCBs, wherever it is coming, everywhere the bimetals are the most important part. And also while we are coming to the semiconductors are also operated based on the bimetallic principle only. So whenever there is a switching device, there is bimetal application is there. So this is a raw material for the entire field and they are supplying to the entire world. So we will go into the global presence of the company also, and they are having their own R&D division is there, and the company is since 1984. It's very old company, listed only recently in June 24 the company was listed. And you can see the products range. You can see here precision stainless steel material, thermostatic bimetal coils and springs, reflow solders, pre-solder strips, shunt resistors, thermostatic bimetal parts and strips, snap action discs, thermostatic bimetal coils and springs, precision stainless steel. So these are their major products. And even in the electronics field, already I told you, to manufacture the semiconductors and also all the PCBs, everywhere wherever the switching devices are there, everywhere it is mandatory. And while we are coming to the worldwide network, you can see here their sales network, their presence globally, their presence are available. You can see here almost in the entire world their presence are available. So this is the reason the company is growing. Every year company is increasing their sales, and also company's profitability is getting increased because their product is very unique and lot of inventions are required on their products. So they are having their own R&D division as well. So since it is a unique business, surely Shivalik Bimetal products, Bimetal Controls will perform in coming years. Please don't forget to add this company in your portfolio on long-term investment basis, and surely the long-term target of 365 will be easily achievable in 6 months. After that the consolidation will be happen, but I suggest not to leave the stock, just hold it because there will not be any major fault. After that there will be either bonus issue will be there and the stock will be taken to around 685 level. Already I told you as our long term target. Then we will decide how the stock will perform, but this will power your portfolio in coming years. So try to add a small quantity in your portfolio. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope the coming days all our stock recommendations will perform very well. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. So thank you.